Chainsaw Man Chapter 181, Release Date and Where to Read. Chainsaw Man Chapter 181 is slated to debut on Wednesday, October 23, 2024, at 12 a.m. Japan Standard Time. For the majority of international readers, this translates to a daytime release on Tuesday, October 22, 2024, in their local time zones. However, keep in mind that the exact release time will vary depending on individual time zones. Fans can read Chainsaw Man Chapter 181 on Viz Media's official website, Shueisha's Manga Plus service, or Shueisha's Shonen Jump Plus app. The former two platforms offer complimentary access to the initial and most recent 3 chapters of the series, while the latter requires a subscription for full access to the entire series. Expected plot in Chainsaw Man Chapter 181. Chainsaw Man Chapter 181 is likely to begin from Denji's perspective, following the story's shift in the previous chapter. Since Denji's last significant appearance was in Chapter 171, this chapter may explore his thoughts.